After programming has been completed, if you need to cancel the limits, press the P2 button once. Press the down button. Press the P2 button once. To confirm cancelling of limits, the motor will beep and jolt. To reset the limits, proceed to step 3 of the Programming a Motor in 5 Simple Steps sequence. After programming has been completed, if you need to cancel the limits and pairing, press the P2 button once. Press the stop button. Press the P2 button once. To confirm the factory reset, the motor will beep and jolt. To reprogram the motor, proceed to step 1 of the Programming a Motor in 5 Simple Steps sequence.